Mama, it's time to... Did you guys hear that? Hey guys, good morning. Oh my days. I feel so puffy. It's no longer I woke up, I just woke up, you know. And also losing my hair. I just want to rock this what is it called again, this twist out for a bit, because I'll soon be washing my hair. It's my wash day, so I'll soon be washing it. Anyways, I'm just in the kitchen now. I want to quickly make breakfast for my kids before I wash my hair. And yeah, it's not been long we woke up. How are you, Mama? My baby girl is here. She's not been feeling fine. I mean, blessing. She's not been feeling too well. Since yesterday, she's been having a hot temperature, and I've been giving her takiprina. I've given her this morning as well. I've been giving her this. This is our own paracetamol for kids here. They call it takiprina, so that's what I've been giving her, and it's been helping. Right now she's better than yesterday, if I must say. So how are you guys doing? Honestly, I don't know. I'm feeling so awkward speaking to the camera. It's been days since I picked up my camera to vlog like this, like, you know, to talk to you guys like this on camera. So it feels weird right now doing it. Guys, I've been feeling so demotivated to vlog lately. I have videos to edit, but I don't have the motivation to edit those videos and put them out there. I don't know. I guess this is life. It happens to me every now and then. Whenever I'm not feeling like it, I just forget about, you know, putting out content out there. But whenever I feel like I'm in the mood, I edit the ones I already have and put them out there. That is how I've been doing it. I might not have the motivation to edit a video and post it out, but I do have the motivation to film the videos. That's what I'm trying to say. So right now I'm in the mood for vlogging, but I'm not in the mood to edit those videos and put them out. You know, it's kind of weird though, but I don't know if it happens to any other YouTuber out there, but it happens to me almost all the time. Okay, so talking about content creating, like, it's been hard lately, and I know a lot of YouTubers are struggling with that. I know I'm not the only one in this. I believe that you that is watching me, you are a content creator, and I know there has been days like that, or there have been days like that. Please. Okay, so not only that I've not been feeling motivated to, you know, put out videos out there, but the jealousy, the hatred on this street is becoming so obvious every day by day. Like, you can tell that people are hating on each other on this whitey street, and those things makes me feel sick. Like, it makes me sick, and for that reason I'm like, why should I even stress out myself? YouTube is no longer as sweet as it used to be before. I could remember those days, like, you joyfully post your videos without, you know, thinking of what people will say, without thinking of haters, without even being bothered if you have views or not. But now the desperation to get views these days is so obvious, so alarming. So how do I even say it for you guys to understand? I don't know if I'm making sense, but I believe I'm making sense here. So the whole thing is just so tiring. It is so annoying. It can be annoying, really. Like, it can be annoying. The way we look for or we seek for views these days, it's as if, and when you don't see the views, you kind of get depressed. Like, why should I even put out more videos? But it shouldn't be that way. Like, I'm talking to myself as well. It shouldn't be that way. If you put out content and you're not getting the views, I mean, that is life. I guess a lot of people have joined the YouTube community, you know, so everybody is trying to create his or her own content. Nobody has time to watch other YouTubers anymore. I believe that's really what is going on these days. But if that is the case, then that's understandable. But if not, I guess the jealousy and the hatred, like, it's becoming so obvious. If you don't comment on my video, I will not comment on your video. If you don't watch me, I will not watch. How will you know that somebody is watching you or not? People think it's by, sorry guys, I was saying something and then I got distracted, and right now I can't even remember where I stopped. Like, this is one of the things I don't like. When I'm doing something, I get distracted or someone interrupts me. Like, I will lose the zeal, the motivation with which I started the stuff. Right now I don't know what I was saying, I can't remember. But to conclude what I was saying, even though I can't remember what I was actually saying, I'm just going to say that no matter what, we should always try to support each other. I don't know, it might sound so easy to say, but actually difficult to do. I could remember those days. We are always on each other's videos, on each other's comment section, leaving comments, supporting each other. But these days, I guess people are becoming more busier every day by day, and for that reason they don't have time to watch other YouTubers or even to comment on their comment section. So I get that, but like, it's somehow, let's try to support each other no matter how busy we are. Like, this is what will keep us all going. I'm also talking to myself. I'm trying to, you know, do more, even though it has not been easy, but I'm trying my best to do more, to support as many as I can. I've been doing it, but lately I've been losing the motivation to do so, but I will try and, you know, keep it going. So yeah, that is what I was trying to say. Let me quickly make breakfast. My husband is back from night shift, so I guess I'll be including his as well, because when I came in here, he wasn't. Yeah, he was even the one that distracted me or that interrupted me when I was talking earlier. He came back, I had to, you know, stop for a bit. So I'm going to be including his own breakfast. I've asked this question before. I want to ask again. How are you all doing? I hope you slept well. I hope you are having a fabulous day wherever you are. And you feel that this is your beginning. But it's okay. Yay! Workout completed. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. Hey guys, I just completed my 1 hour workout right now. I think it's a bit dark here, so you can see how I'm sweating. Like, You guys, it was so much fun. I enjoyed it. Like I always enjoy this ladies workout. It is so easy, my goodness. I've shared it with you guys in my previous vlog, and some of you were asking me what is the name of the lady, even though I mentioned it in that video. I'm going to mention it once again. Her channel name is Burpee Girl. I just showed you right now. Yeah, so I just finished her 1 hour one, and it is currently 8 p.m. You can see it right there. Can you believe that it's 8 p.m. and the weather is still bright? You can see outside there. The weather is still bright. That's one thing I love about summer. So I usually do my workouts in the mornings, but today, like I said, I don't know if I mentioned it earlier in this vlog, but my kids didn't go to school today. I don't know, there's this holiday Italians have or are having. And it's just for today anyways. Tomorrow they will resume school, so I couldn't do my workouts in the morning. I've been working all morning, guys. I nearly not do this workout today, but I finished some minutes ago, and I just decided to like do the workout. My husband has gone out with the kids. They went to the park. I couldn't go with them. I'm home alone with Blessing, so I was actually doing the workout when they were leaving, so I couldn't go with them. I just finished now, as you guys can see, and I can't wait to take my shower and wash this hair. Like I'm burning inside. I want to go and bath and cool down, and also bath Blessing. Whoa, like you will not even understand when I said I was walking all morning. Like you can imagine me walking to the point that I couldn't make anything for lunch for my family, aside for the breakfast I made for them in the morning. My hubby was the one that made pasta for them. What is your problem? So they are in the park right now. The hair has shrunken because of heat and humidity. All right guys, let me go and quickly take my bath, and I'll talk to you guys later. I don't know what is wrong with this missus right here. Bye.
A few moments later.
Mama, it's time to sleep. I just finished bathing her now, and she's here playing keyboard or piano. And I know with that now it will be very difficult to get her to come with me. I've not taken my own bath. I just finished bathing her now, and I want to make her to sleep before I go and take my own bath. My kids are not yet here, so let me keep trying my luck to see if this this small miss will follow me to bed. Blessing. Mama, it's time to... Did you guys hear that? Mama, it's not time to eat. You ate already. It's time to sleep. Time to... Yes, time to sleep. Oh yeah, let's go. By the way, I didn't wash her. Oh, she's coming. I didn't wash her hair. I don't usually... like I don't pour water on her hair always whenever I'm bathing her. You know, some days I make out time to wash her hair properly. give me. But today I didn't pour water on her hair. Thank you, Mama. Come on, let's go. Hold it. Let's go. Bring that. Let's go and keep it where it is supposed to be. Hey, you will break it now. Oh yeah, give it to me. Give me back. Give it back. Auntie, give me. Please, guys, let me go and see if I can make her to sleep. Honestly, I'm so tired. I need to bath. I'm sweating. Let's go. Blessing. Let's go, Mama. Hey guys, good morning. It feels so good to be out here. The weather is so cold and a little bit airy. We are all here, even my kids. We are waiting for my hubby. He just came back from work now and he's taking his bath. So once he's done, they will all leave. And guys, do you know what? Today is their last day of school. Like, you guys do not even have an idea of what I'm about to enter. I'm about to enter the journey of talking from morning till night. Hey God, I feel so like whenever I wake up I feel puffy and like my eyes will be opening and closing. Anyways, let me show their outfit. Let me show their cute faces. I think I dressed them the best way today because I mean it's their last day of school. I was actually looking up there. I forgot to look here because I was looking at my puffy face. Hey, come back here, Caleb, come back here. Okay. See them looking so cute and innocent. Face this side, Joshua. Joshua, turn this side. Yes, looking so cute. Caleb, can we see you? Favor, can you face this side and leave? Just open your hands, free your hands. Yay! Are you feeling cold? Why are you putting your hands together? No, I don't think you are cold, but the weather is a bit chilled, so I guess warm weather. Oh, warm season, not warm weather. I love this. I love it. Together with the skirt. Favor, can you turn? So cute, so cute. Yay! And you with your open teeth. Hey guys, so my kids have all gone to school and it's just me and Blessing as always. You guys already know. And I've actually finished editing this video, about to export it, and I'm like, no, I don't really like the way it ended. Let me just, come back here and do this outro because I like to keep my work neat. I wanted to just export it like that and upload it, but I was like, no, let me just quickly slot out, insert out, bring out my memory card. I'm not even ready for all those big grammars right now. I was like, let me bring out my memory card and come over here to do my outro and end this vlog. So this is me officially ending this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Guys, I have about 3 solid vlogs coming up after this particular one. I'm almost done editing the videos, but I'm like, let me put this one out first. Those vlogs, I've already started editing them, but it's just for me to like cross check again and put things in order before I export and upload them. So you guys should please stay tuned and watch out for those vlogs. There are 3 solid vlogs that I am excited to share with you. So please, if you haven't already, do consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the like button if you haven't. If you enjoyed this vlog, please click on that like button. And if you want to see those 3 vlogs, click on the like button as well, and I'll see you all in those vlogs. Okay, those are the vlogs I filmed days or weeks back. Yeah, weeks back. So you guys should expect those videos. I'm excited. All right, see you then. Bye.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you?